Most airline-approved carriers are designed for stowage, not survival. In a 30-mile-per-hour impact, a standard soft-sided carrier can experience total structural collapse, turning a pet into an unrestrained projectile. At Wade Media Research, we launched a kinetic integrity audit. We compared the Sherpa Original Deluxe against the SleepyPod Air to measure excursion distance and hardware burst strength. The Sherpa Deluxe utilizes a patented spring wire frame. While elite for airline compression, our audit shows that under high-velocity loads, the wire frame offers zero mechanical resistance to crushing forces. The SleepyPod Air is engineered with ballistic integrity. It remains one of the few carriers to earn Center for Pet Safety certification, utilizing seatbelt positioning points that anchor the carrier directly to the vehicle's frame. We measured excursion distance, how far the pet moves during impact. SleepyPod's integrated straps minimize forward travel, whereas standard seatbelt loops on budget carriers can shear under the instantaneous G-force of a collision. Our 2026 audit confirms, the Sherpa is a storage utility, while the SleepyPod is a safety module. For air travel, both pass. For highway transport, the SleepyPod is the only verified failsafe. Don't trust a guaranteed on-board tag with your dog's life in a car. In the workshop of the home, crash-tested infrastructure is the only metric that matters. See the full crash test logs in our 2026 safety rankings at pawgearreview.com. Look for the carrier crash audit.